Are you a student looking to make money online in 2024? If that's a yes, you've come to the right place. As we navigate this digital era, the opportunities to earn income from the comfort of your dorm room have grown exponentially. The beauty of the online world is that it's always open, always evolving, and it's waiting for you to dive in. This video is your guide to exploring the vast digital landscape and discovering the wealth of opportunities it holds. We're going to break down the process into simple, easy-to-follow steps that even the busiest student can manage. From the basics of online money-making to building your digital footprint, we've got you covered. In the year 2024, having an online income isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. And as a student, it's an excellent way to supplement your income while gaining valuable experience. So, if you're ready to discover new ways to supplement your income, stay tuned. First, understand the basics of making money online. Venturing into the digital landscape to earn money can seem like a daunting task. However, just like any other job or business venture, making money online requires some fundamental understanding, patience, and consistency. Let's start by setting clear goals. What do you want to achieve? Are you looking to make a full-time income online or just a bit of extra cash on the side? Perhaps you're aiming to build an online business that will eventually allow you to quit your day job? Whatever your goals may be, having a clear vision of what you want to accomplish is the first step toward success. Next, understand that patience is key. The internet is not a magical land where money just starts pouring in overnight. Yes, there are stories of people making it big quickly, but those are the exceptions, not the rule. Just like any other business, making money online takes time. It requires you to put in consistent effort over a significant period before you start seeing substantial returns. And speaking of effort, that brings us to our next point: consistency. Making money online is not a one-and-done deal. It requires you to consistently produce, whether that's content, products, or services. Consistency is what builds trust with your audience or customers, and trust is what will ultimately make them willing to part with their hard-earned money. Now, let's talk about dedication. Just because you're working from your laptop in your pajamas doesn't mean you're not working. Making money online requires just as much dedication and hard work as any other job. You need to be willing to put in the hours, learn new skills, and constantly adapt to changes in the digital landscape. So keep these principles in mind as you embark on your online money-making journey. Set clear goals, be patient, stay consistent, and be dedicated. Remember, there's no such thing as a get-rich-quick scheme. Now, let's delve into some online opportunities that are perfect for students. First up, we have freelancing. This is a brilliant way to sell your skills and make some money. Sites like Upwork and Fiverr are great platforms for freelancers to find work. Whether your talent lies in graphic design, writing, programming, or even voiceover work, there's a freelance market for you. The beauty of freelancing is that you choose the projects you want to work on, and you can do it from the comfort of your own home. Next, we have content creation. This is a broad field that includes everything from blogging and vlogging to creating podcasts or even gaming streams. If you have a passion for a particular topic and enjoy sharing your thoughts and experiences, content creation could be your ticket to making money online. Platforms like YouTube and Twitch, as well as podcast hosting sites, offer monetization options for successful creators. Then, we have online tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject, why not share your knowledge with others and get paid for it? Websites like Chegg Tutors and Tutor.com allow you to connect with students who need help in your area of expertise. It's a rewarding way to earn money, and you'll be making a difference in someone's academic journey. Lastly, there's affiliate marketing. This involves promoting a product or service on your website or social media platforms and earning a commission for any sales made through your referral link. Companies like Amazon have popular affiliate programs that you can join. This can be a great way to earn passive income, especially if you have a large online following. These are just a few examples. The online world is full of opportunities. So, don't limit yourself to these options. Explore, experiment, and find what works best for you. Remember, the journey to making money online is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, patience, and a lot of learning. But with the right mindset and determination, you can turn the online world into your personal goldmine. Wondering how to get started? Let's break it down. The first step to making money online is to identify your skills. What do you excel at? What makes you unique? Maybe you're a whiz at graphic design, or perhaps you have a knack for writing captivating stories. Your skills are your ticket to earning online, so take some time to really think about what you can offer. Once you've identified your skills, it's time to choose a platform. There's a multitude of online platforms where you can sell your skills, from freelancing websites like Upwork or Fiverr to creative marketplaces like Etsy. Each platform has its own unique features, so it's important to choose one that aligns with your skills and goals. Now that you've chosen a platform, it's time to create your profile or portfolio. This is essentially your online resume. It's what potential clients will see when they're considering whether or not to hire you, so it's crucial to make it as professional and appealing as possible. Include a brief bio, list your skills and experience, and add samples of your work if possible. But remember, your online presence isn't just about selling your skills. It's also about building relationships. Engage with other users, respond to comments, and be active on your chosen platform. The more you engage, the more visibility you'll have, and the more likely you are to attract clients. Also, be patient. It may take some time to land your first client, but don't lose heart. Keep refining your profile, keep engaging, and most importantly, keep improving your skills. Making money online isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires hard work, persistence, and a willingness to learn. So there you have it. Identify your skills, choose a platform, create a profile, and start engaging. It may seem daunting at first, but remember, every journey begins with a single step. Getting started is the hardest part, but once you've made the first step, you're on your way. Building your online presence is crucial. Diving headfirst into the virtual world, your online presence becomes your identity, your voice, and your brand. It's more than just a profile picture and a catchy bio. It's an embodiment of who you are and what you offer. You are your own brand, and like any brand, you need to be seen to be successful. So, how do you create this presence? Well, let's start with engagement. Engage with your online community. This isn't just about posting content. It's about creating conversations, responding to comments, and actively participating in discussions. It's about being a part of the community, not just a spectator. When people see your engagement, they see your commitment and passion, which builds trust. Next, keep your online profiles or websites updated. An outdated profile is like a closed shop. It tells your audience you're not active. Regularly update your content, showcase your latest projects or achievements, and keep your audience in the loop. Remember, consistency is key. Now let's talk about the big one, SEO or search engine optimization. This is the art of making your content discoverable on search engines like Google. It's about using the right keywords, creating quality content, and optimizing your website's structure. SEO might sound intimidating, but there are plenty of free resources out there to get you started. And finally, be authentic. The online world is saturated with copycats and fakes. Authenticity is what sets you apart. Be true to yourself and your brand. Share your journey, your challenges, and your victories. Authenticity resonates with people and creates a loyal following. Building your online presence is an ongoing process. It's about nurturing relationships, showcasing your skills, and constantly evolving. It's about being seen, being heard, and making an impact. Remember, your online presence is your digital resume. Let's look at some tips to help you succeed. Delving into the world of online money-making can be an exciting journey, but it's crucial to remember that, like any journey, it's not without its challenges. So how do you navigate these waters successfully? Here are a few tips to get you started. First up, always focus on delivering quality work. Whether you're designing websites, writing blog posts, or tutoring in maths, the quality of your work is your calling card. It's what sets you apart in the vast sea of online workers. So always strive for excellence. Go above and beyond. Over-deliver when you can. This will not only help build your reputation, but also attract more work your way. Next, be mindful of deadlines. Time management is a skill that you'll need to master. Deadlines are not mere suggestions, they are commitments. Missing a deadline can harm your reputation and your relationship with clients. So, plan your work, set realistic deadlines, and stick to them. A happy client is a returning client. Thirdly, maintain good communication with your clients or customers. Effective communication is key in any business, and the online world is no different. Be clear, concise, and professional in your interactions. Respond to queries promptly and keep your clients updated about your progress. This will build trust and foster long-term relationships. Another tip is to continue learning and improving your skills. The digital landscape is ever evolving, and to stay relevant, you need to evolve with it. Take online courses, read industry blogs, and stay updated with the latest trends and tools in your field. Finally, remember to take care of yourself. Yes, you're building an online career, but don't forget to disconnect and recharge. Avoid burnout by setting boundaries, taking breaks, and prioritizing your well-being. Success doesn't happen overnight, but with these tips, you're a step closer. Remember, the journey to success is a marathon, not a sprint. So keep going, keep learning, and keep growing. You've got this. Making money online is not without its challenges. This journey is like navigating a maze, with obstacles at every turn. But remember, every challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. So let's explore some of these challenges and how to overcome them. First on our list is competition. The internet is a global marketplace. With its low barriers to entry, it's easy for anyone, from anywhere, to set up shop. This means that you could be competing with hundreds, even thousands of people offering the same services or products as you do. It can feel overwhelming. But here's the thing. Competition isn't necessarily a bad thing. It pushes us to be better, to innovate, to differentiate. Embrace competition and let it fuel your motivation to stand out. Find your unique selling point, that thing that sets you apart. And remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Persistence is key. Next, we have scams. Unfortunately, the online space is riddled with people who prey on the unsuspecting. They promise quick riches and easy money. But remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Do your research, verify the legitimacy of opportunities before committing time and resources. Be cautious, but don't let fear paralyze you. There are plenty of legitimate ways to make money online. Lastly, maintaining a work-life balance. When your work is online, it can be difficult to switch off. Your home becomes your office, and it's easy to find yourself working around the clock. But burnout is real and it's dangerous. So set boundaries, have set working hours, take breaks, prioritize your well-being. After all, you can't pour from an empty cup. Overcoming these challenges won't be easy, but remember, every hurdle you cross strengthens your resilience, your capacity to succeed. The path may be filled with stumbling blocks, but these are the stepping stones to your success. Challenges are inevitable, but they're also opportunities for growth. So, are you ready to start making money online as a student in 2024? We've covered a lot of ground today, and it's time to bring it all together. We began by understanding the basics of making money online, and we quickly realized that the virtual world is a treasure trove of opportunities. From freelancing to blogging, from affiliate marketing to online tutoring, the choices are abundant. We then moved on to the crucial first steps: choosing the right platform, setting clear goals, and creating a robust strategy. Remember, the key is to start somewhere. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take the moment and make it perfect. As we dove deeper, we emphasized the importance of building your online presence. Whether it's through a captivating blog, an engaging YouTube channel, or a dynamic website, your online presence is your digital storefront. Make sure it reflects who you are and what you bring to the table. Next, we shared some insider tips for success. Consistency, authenticity, and patience were our top 3. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It's about building, learning, and growing every single day. And finally, we discussed overcoming challenges. In this digital age, challenges are inevitable, but they are not insurmountable. With the right mindset and a strong support system, you can turn every obstacle into an opportunity. Now, it's your turn to take action. The virtual world is waiting for you. It's time to turn your dreams into reality and start your journey towards making money online. And remember, you're not alone in this. If you need further help, check the description to book a one-on-one session with me. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like this video if you found it helpful, leave your thoughts in the comments, and share it with your friends. It's a small act that makes a big difference. Thank you for watching, and here's to your success in making money online in 2024.